Great drumming skills there, Sarah. Well, from sound to light, as you mentioned, I am at the start of Nottingham Light Night, walking through one of around 35 installations you'll be able to see across the city tonight and tomorrow. This is at Nottingham College, called Sunshine on the Fallen Tree. Now, it's been sparkling, this event, for the last 17 years. Now, with me to tell us more about it is Patrick Loy, Head of Events for Nottingham City Council. For first-time visitors, what can they expect over today and tomorrow?
Just light-based installations right across the city, from large format projections in Old Market Square to some of the smaller pieces that you see here. There really is something for everybody, and the best of all, it's all for free.
Free, which is brilliant. You've got great weather. I've done that. But also, it's not just for the visitors. This is a great boost for local businesses, local art. So perfect if any of you do want to come along and take it in. Shall we take a look at that weekend forecast? It is, of course, the start of meteorological spring, and over the weekend it's going to be dry, fine and settled. And let's look at that pressure chart. High pressure is in charge of our weather through the weekend, and if I'm honest, it's hanging around well into next week. So let's look at this evening then, shall we? We've got these clear skies. I hope if you've managed to get out to see the planets, you got to see them. We keep the clear skies for many of us.
Yeah.